What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency streamer. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you want to make better gains, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge in the trading field, you've got to follow me on my socials. For instance, I changed the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can help you guys with better entries and exits quite simply. Want to know more about my life? Follow me on Instagram, guys. Things are just kicking off in the cryptocurrency space with amazing things going on in the price action. I wanted to go over 2 coins today, including Bitcoin and Chainlink. Some amazing projects, guys, amazing gains to be had with this super cycle. And if that doesn't make sense to you guys, or you're just getting into crypto and you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so I wanted to start with Bitcoin. Just some very epic happenings going on in Bitcoin right now, guys. That symmetrical triangle that I predicted is playing out just perfectly. For instance, we touched that same point of support that I predicted back here, and guys, we had that head and shoulders pattern play out a little bit. We ended up running into that support, and now we're working on a new pattern, guys. So let me just paint this out for you guys. Let me show you what I think we're working with now. Okay, now I think we have a descending wedge right here. Okay, and we're going to make this nice and white. Remember to color coordinate your patterns here. And now we're going to work down this wedge until we get to the end of it, guys, and then we're going to get a breakout. And then what I want you guys to do is to play indication plays. For instance, show the 7 and the 20 as an example, combine with the Bollinger Bands as another example. For instance, use barbell theory. Okay, if we tighten up right here, watch for the widening. Basically around the 16th at around 1400 hours, we could get a move or a break right around here. Now, if it continues to end up with a little bit more bullish favor, for instance, the volume continues to rise, the stock continues to load up. For instance, we go to the 4 hour, notice we still have a little bit more green run to go. So we could end up retesting this resistance. Be prepared for this move either way, and notice you could be getting the barbell theory playing out just like this. Okay? That would be the move I'd be looking for in the Bitcoin price, guys. And then, of course, watch the bigger resistances and supports, for instance, right here and right here, okay? And in simplicity, watch for a breaking of the resistance, look for a long, watch for the breaking of the support, look for a short, guys. That's easy money all freaking day. And, guys, let's remember to zoom out when in doubt. We still have a lot of work to do, guys, but if you think about it, we could end up in something like this, moving sideways for a while, and then another run up, guys. And that's actually what I'm anticipating. This is a great reaccumulation phase in between 42,000 and 28,953. That's exactly what I'm doing, guys, because we're going to get a huge barbell theory right here. And, guys, it's going to play out very nicely, and that widening can be massive, guys, easily surpassing $70,000. I have a prediction of around October even being above $78,000, guys. Let's see if that comes into fruition. Mark my words here today on the 14th of March. Mark my words, guys. That's what I think it's going to be. And that's all I have for the Bitcoin price, guys. Let's jump over to Link. Now, I've also drawn this one out for you guys as well, but I'm going to go down to the 1 hour for this one. And for starts, we have a descending tightening wedge, guys. Now, a lot of people call this a triangle, guys. It is not, even though they touch, okay? Remember, a descending triangle actually has to have a very clear point of support going straight across. This one does not, okay, guys? And if anything, and we had to really tighten it up, we would put a line just like this as well, ending up with a symmetrical, guys. So in essence, this could kind of break either way. So let's kind of see how this plays out over the next few hours here. And if we get a retesting of resistance, watch for a nice little long up to resistance. And if we break support, guys, that's what the bigger pattern here is for. We could easily end up retesting major support down at around $8. Now, guys, if it does break down, just another excellent opportunity to accumulate. I've been accumulating all of these dips in the oversold moments. For instance, I accumulated a little bit right here. Now, guys, if we go back down here, I will accumulate some more. But if not, I already have a massive link bag, guys, and you guys know all about it. I took a lot of profits around $40. I'm going to wait for another run up like that, or even then some, to take even more profit, guys, quite simply. Okay, that's exactly what I'm looking at for Chainlink, and let's just go to the daily to take a good look at this. Now, let's see what we're looking at here, guys. So basically, we are still kind of working down here, but guys, I really think we're running out of downward steam here. We have a major support that's lining up right here. I think we're going to trickle to the right and then get a nice little run up, guys, and hopefully a nice break right through here. Reverse pressure looks pretty dicey from here. Let me draw it out. Let me put off the Bollinger Bands, make this a little easier to see. Now reverse pressure looks just like this. Okay, so we're kind of far away from it at the moment, but that won't be like that forever, guys. We're going to get some sentiment here, and at the very least a movement to the right, which means reverse pressure is increasing in strength, and soon we can get a retest of these moments, especially resistances, guys. And then it's just a ride from resistance to resistance as we get the major EMA flips. For instance, we turn on the other estimated moving averages, even up to the 100. We can run up to the 55, can run up to the 100, and then, guys, if we had the 200 on, it'd be way up here. But you guys get the idea. Play to EMA here, and watch for that to come into fruition. And that's all the time I have for today, guys. Just amazing times in the cryptocurrency space. I think both of those coins are obviously going to do really well with some amazing up times running both for both coins. Chainlink is actually one of my biggest projects, and I think is going to be one of my biggest gains to date over the next few years with some massive, massive gains. Bitcoin obviously leading the pack. So guys, if you're not accruing, I mean, let's be real, Plan B, I believe in it. You know, they predicted a $288,000 Bitcoin this super cycle, guys, and to be honest, the longer it takes, the more that's looking like a reality. So I hope you guys are packing your bags for the long vacation, because I'm telling you guys, this run-up is going to be just biblical. Like, oh my gosh, it's interesting how every parabolic run-up, everyone loses their minds every freaking time. But guys, I'm ready for this one. I'm over 90% in. I cannot wait for this movement. And yes, I understand everyone will freak out if it goes down to the 20s, but not me. I am not worried. I believe, and before you know it, guys, we're going to be up to some much higher numbers. Looking back at the all the memes at, you know, $20,000, $30,000 Bitcoin when it's cracking way over 100. Guys, you got to have it in you to put the trades down to make the money. And just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.